This brand is from Lasco and is available in home improvement stores in the USA and Canada as well as on Amazon, but they only have a 1-year guarantee. The BFC models are basic 2-speed fans with humidity sensing and a built-in easy install bracket. The EVD model offers variable speed fans where you can adjust the low and high speed settings to match your ventilation requirements from 30 to 130 CFM. The EVLDGH model is a very quiet fan/light combo with built-in humidity and occupancy sensors. They have variable airflow settings with 2 speeds to customize them to virtually any residential bathroom. The AK965L model has a night light and a built-in heater, but it requires a separate electrical circuit to serve just this unit. The DRLC range offers units with a decorative light and they have a 70 CFM airflow, but they are relatively loud compared to the other fans. The EVLDH model is a variable speed fan with humidity sensing control and built-in brackets for easy installation, while the LEDIC 100H is a basic humidity sensing fan with an LED light.